Start with the name of Allah, the Almighty and the Most Merciful. Some years later, you will laugh at things you are crying for today. Smile. Time heals everything. When Allah blesses you financially, don't raise your standard of living. Raise your standard of giving. Failures teach the lessons that no one else does. Pain is not always in tears. Sometimes it's also present in smile. Don't stop when you are tired. Stop when you are done. We are not given a good life or a bad life. We are given life, and it's up to you to make it good or bad. Lessons in life will be repeated until they are learned. The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts. So think positive and be happy. Honest relations are just like water. No color, no shape, no taste, but still very important for life. Experience is the hardest kind of teacher. It gives you the test first and the lesson afterward. Nothing is permanent in this world, not even our troubles. Always remember, rumors are carried by haters, spread by fools, and accepted by idiots. The beauty of life is to help the others, because beauty is in the heart, not in the past. When you wish good for others, good things come back to you. This is the universal law.